Feel that tummy grumbling? And perhaps you'd appreciate some new ingenious food hacks. And send. Ooh, answering emails sure makes me hungry. This thing's huge! And it ought to keep me busy for a while. Come on now. My nail! I just got these done too! Oh, stupid nuts! Oh, but I'm still a slave to their salty goodness. No, not worth it. My teeth should work. Or not! What have I done? Oh, this used to be in my mouth. Oh, I've got no other choice now.
Not so fast, Emma.
It's you! The super nutcracker!
I heard there was trouble. Hand them over. We meet again, Pistachio. Let's get cracking. Oh yeah. Look. Use another shell to crack this guy right open. Got it?
You didn't even break a nail! So simple. And so delicious! Thank you!
Stay nutty.
My life has changed forever! I'll watch anything with superheroes in it.
Hey, me too! Shall we eat?
This pasta sure looks great.
Now, which one first? Not sure a fork will work here. Hands it is. That shell's really on here, huh? No!
Huh? Did you want to deliver again?
Sorry! I don't think Emma noticed. Thank goodness. Let's try this again. Come on, just come off already! Gah! This is ridiculous. Whoa!
Spare some change? Thank you, miss. What? Is that a shrimp? Well, by golly, it is! Who would do such a thing? Unless it's the green, I don't want it. Is that shrimp juice?
Well, that was interesting. Stupid shell. There you go. She has no idea why I'm laughing. This isn't over. I'm gonna eat you if it's the last thing I do.
Having a little trouble? Just take your fork and use its prong to remove the shell. Then peel that sucker off. So easy, right? And it looks tasty too. Here you go.
Oh, you're like the shrimp whisperer. Oh, that's good. Thanks. The chicken is ready, people. Phew, talk about a mouth-watering feast. The tomatoes! I forgot to put them in the salad. All right, let's get this done. Time to slice and dice, baby. Thomas is home. Oh, I can't believe you got these. Hold it right there, mister. No chips until these are cut. I'll be in the den. Well, this is a bummer. How many of these are there? This is gonna take forever. How hard could slicing be, right? Just a quick cut down the middle. Keep going. Phew. Seriously? That's all I've done? How many are left? This is never going to end. The lid could actually help. It's nice and flat. Let's give it a try. 7 tomatoes and 1 lid. And 1 swift slice. As long as you hold it firmly, they can all get halved at once. See? Perfect slices. Talk about a time saver. All thanks to the simple lid. And into the bowl you go. That thing's not so intimidating now. It's actually kind of fun. All done! Mom, I'm done!
What's that, honey?
This show's hilarious. I've been tricked.
He totally asked me out. Of course I said yeah.
Look what I got for you. Want one? You don't mind if I start, right? Ooh, I got extra sauce. Oh yeah. Huh? Isn't there supposed to be shrimp? I did get shrimp noodles, right? Grr. I know how to get to it. Activate an X-ray vision. Bingo. It's all at the bottom. I've got to be getting close now.
Bye. God! What are you doing? You don't have to dig, you know. Watch. If you just open up the sides, the whole thing expands like a plate.
Whoa! Awesome! I think I see it! And we have contact. Oh, how I've missed you. Thanks.
Sure. Now I gotta get a taste. Wow! All this action makes me hungry. Could this thing be more perfect? Well, with chocolate it can. Come to mama! Still hungry. So chocolatey. I just can't get enough of this. So delicious. Whoops. Let me just wipe that up. I don't even care. It's too good. Huh? I finished the strawberries already? Oh, I hate when that happens.
Well, what do we have here? Ugh, I hate commercials. Ugh, what is all this? This has ammo written all over it. Even the tissues are gross. Now I'm dirtier than before. Wait a minute. Yep, I should have seen that coming. I don't even know what to wipe first.
Hi, Thomas. Want some strawberries?
Emma, stop, please. There's a better way to do this. Stick the straw through here. Keep pushing until the stem pops off. Now you have a hole, see? And now for the best part. Get some chocolate in the syringe. A good amount should do. Then it's time for the injection. Fill her up. No mess here.
So cool and easy too. Yum! It's the perfect amount of chocolate.
Don't mind if I do.
Think these food hacks would come in handy? That pistachio trick was a real mind blower, right? Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our channel so you're always in on the fun.